Once you're logged in, you can choose between Student Service and Administration of Exams. Student Service gives you an overview on your student status as well as information on locking, so the reason as well as the function and semester that are affected by locking. Under contact data, you can find an overview of your different contact data. If your address changes, you should change the correspondence address, which you can do by yourself. The home address does not change. Furthermore, you can see your email address, but you cannot change it. After adding a new address, you also need to set it to be your semester address. Bills and Payments gives you an overview on the semester fee, and you can also have a look at each single invoice line, so how the semester fee is set up. Bank account will show you the details of the bank account that you used to pay the latest semester fee. Under certificates, you have the possibility to download several certificates by yourself and also print them out if you want to. Courses offered is relevant if you want to apply to a new study program. Administration of exams is identical to the old HIS portal, so you can always find information on registered and cancelled exams as well as your transcript of records, and you can also register for exams here. In information about cancelled exams, you will also be able to see any withdrawals of free trials due to Corona. Organization is relevant if you want to register for the alumni network. User information also provides data on the devices that you use to log in, and you can also delete all devices.